Okay. It's really early in the morning time at like 1 something, and this bitch is about to jump this thing, and I think it needs to be recorded. Shit crazy, bitch. Hurry. Where are you going? We have an invader, we have an invader, we have an invader. That man messed it all up. She gonna do it though. The coast is clear. Man, I thought she was gonna do it like the track stars.
Here.
Ooh, a text?
Fooled you bitches.
Aw, you had me thinking. Oh, yeah, it's a text.
Yeah.
Well, it went away. Text 555.
So, we just walked.
Let me tell you what time it is. It's 1:44 a.m. on March 3rd.
And we just walked from Amber's house to Kroger.
Which is a good 15-20 minute walk.
And it's about 20 degrees outside.
There's no school tomorrow, because that's how cold it is. There's snow. And we just walked. Look how red my hand is. Look at my nose. Alright, don't get that close. All for these.
We were trying to go pick up Stephanie, but she couldn't get out.
Sucks. And now we're looking for a ride home. And Tay better come get me. I hope he doesn't watch this video.
So, we're going to find some goodies.
I love you. I love you, Tay, if you happen to watch this.
We're going to find some goodies and talk to you bitches later. Bye.